Hi, I'm Dr. Charlotte Ying, and today we're going to talk about liposculpture. Liposculpture is when we have stubborn areas of fat and we do surgery to basically remove those areas. Men and women come to me with stubborn areas that they cannot lose. For example, in men, most likely, even in bodybuilders, I see a lot of bodybuilders come to me with very stubborn areas like their flanks, their love handles. That's usually the trouble area for men. Women come to me at all ages, different ages, from their 20s to postnatal and postmenopausal women come to me too, with a lot of complaint about stubborn areas also, but mainly they are born with those stubborn areas. Areas like the tummy and the hips and thighs, and also the arms. Some women complain of a double chin, and we can also do that area quite nicely. We usually do liposculpture, the procedure itself, in either a procedure room in the clinic, or we can do it in a hospital setting. Of course, if we do it in a clinic setting, then we want to be safe, and I usually just do smaller cases, for example, just a small chin liposculpture. And if we need to remove larger amounts of fat, then we definitely need to go to the hospital for safety. Recovery downtime for liposculpture can really depend on the person and also how big the area is and how much we remove. Obviously, the larger amount of fat that we remove, the longer the recovery. If we do smaller areas like the chin, then of course recovery will be much shorter. So we usually say you need to have a garment on the area for around 2 weeks if it's the chin, and then you can take it off. And the swelling usually takes around 6 to 8 months to completely go away, but you should start to be able to see results within 3 to 4 weeks. So during the recovery period after the surgery, obviously we need to follow you up in the clinic. You'll be looked after. You will have a direct number to myself or one of my member of the staff, and basically if you have any questions at all, we are here to help you and get you through the journey. A lot of my patients will come back to me and say that after the liposculpture surgery, they feel much better in their own clothes. They don't feel like there are bulges everywhere and they can't sit properly because there are bulges from their tummy coming out of their jeans, for example. And they're more confident in wearing clothes that actually are a little bit more tight-fitted, and even in bikinis. So they are actually more confident and happier just in their own skin, and they can be themselves. I love doing liposculpture surgery. It's actually one of my favorite surgeries to perform because it gives me a lot of space to work my sculpting skills, let's put it that way. It's one of the surgeries that actually can help people feel better in their own skin and actually help them be themselves and match their inner personality when they grow up feeling that they're a little bit maybe off their little self-image. But yes, I enjoy doing it because it gives me a lot of pleasure providing my patients with this option.